Slime, I really like slime. It's really easy to make, so I make it all the time.
Hello, my name's Sholah and welcome back to another video. Today I have my brother
Sol, and I've got a YouTube channel, Sol's the Nature Nerd, if you want to go check it out. And so Sholah's going to explain what we're doing today.
Yeah, so today we're obviously making slime. So it's a challenge, basically. I don't know what it's called. So we're going to do paper, scissors, rock, and if I win, then first we're going to do if I want to use borax or contact lens solution. So if I pick borax, then he'll have to use contact lens solution. Then we'll do paper, scissors, rock again, and then we'll do the clays. If I pick pink, then he has blue, and then we'll do paper, scissors, rock again, and then it'll be the foam beads and glitter. Then if I pick foam beads, he'll have glitter. Then the lotion and shaving foam. Then if I pick lotion, then he'll obviously have shaving foam. Then we'll do paper, scissors, rock. And then only one person will get lavender, and then if I win, then Sol, he won't get anything. So yeah, then we have our glue. We're not going to use all of this. Then we have our bowl and our mixing spoon. So let's get on with making it. So let's do paper, scissors, rock, borax, or paper, scissors, rock. Okay, I don't have borax. Yeah.
Wait,
I'll just bring it by me.
do I get this?
Yeah, baking soda and yeah. Now we're going to do clay. Paper, scissors, rock.
So,
Yeah, I'll have.
oh yes, I have glue.
Right now, should we do these two or them two?
Two.
Yeah. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Wait, what was that? Paper, scissors, rock. Yes! No! I'll have lotion.
No.
You get fluffy slime.
Oh,
and I
yeah.
get stretchy slime, basically. Oh no! Paper, scissors, rock. Yes!
Gotta be kidding me.
Glitter.
I've not won one. Yeah.
Glitter.
Oh
no, but now it's the best one. I really want lavender. Paper, scissors, rock. Yes!
come on.
Yay! Okay, well,
So
he
it's
at
not-
least has blue plates.
Yeah.
Okay, now
At least
let's
it's not
add
blue.
like a quarter, so that much.
Yeah.
We can't unscrew this.
You unscrewed the whole thing.
Oh, the looks off. There's something on it.
Oh god. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the amount. You get like a bit more because you have a smaller bowl, I think. Yeah.
How'd you get this thing off?
And I get it off with my teeth.
Yeah, I should have known that.
Yeah. Take your spoon. And
So tell me when to stop.
yeah.
'Cause I'm new to slime, just to let you know.
Wait, keep on going, like really squeezing it. Yeah, stop. Yeah. Then put the lid on. Let's put this over here. Oh no, I've got glue on me. Now the lotion.
Okay,
And you can do as much as you want, like how much you add is like how fluffy it'll be. I'm gonna probably add this like whole bottle. Not one.
Whoa, this looks like dog poo.
Dog poo, it's white. Yeah, that would be enough.
Yeah.
You're gonna have loads of slime now. And remember, you're adding clay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if I was to only add a little bit to colour it. Yeah. Wait, mix. So we'll speed this up while we're mixing it all up.
When we talk, it goes so fast, doesn't it?
Yeah. But it sounds like a mouse. Wow, mine's like so thick. Mix fast. Oh, mine stinks like glue. Yours is gonna smell like lemon.
Why? Because the shaving foam,
yeah.
like.
So it will be scented anyway. So.
If you didn't want lavender, would you get it? Did you have to get lavender?
No.
I didn't win one paper, scissors, rock. I mean,
Okay, yeah, yours is mixed in enough.
okay.
Okay, so now we've speeded it up. I'll add my glitter and then you can add your
Foam
beads. Whoa! Let me write
All
this.
of it? Yeah,
If you want, you can do what you want. Okay, wow, this is actually going to be real pretty.
crunchy,
fluffy butter slime.
Butter?
Yeah, there's the clay.
Oh.
Wow.
She knows everything. She's like the slime master, and I'm just like new to this stuff.
He doesn't know anything about it. Well, then it actually looks real cool. Yeah. Well, that looks actually real.
It looks so
really cool.
white, like everything in here is white.
Okay, so now you add a sprinkle of baking soda.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just telling him what to do because he doesn't know that much.
So just
He always, yeah, I'll do this.
okay.
Because you have a lot of slime on it like that.
And then do I
No, you mix it, yeah, and then you do that until it's slime. Now I'll add the scent. Oh no, it's childproof. I can do it. Oh, it's not one of them dropping ones. I don't know how much to. Wow.
add too
You know,
much, didn't you?
Yes. Like,
Now
oh,
what do I do?
it's going to be really
Do I just add this?
I think it splashed in my eye. God, that hurt.
What do I add now?
Okay, wait until I mix this. Just keep on mixing.
And are they going to comment who's the best?
Oh yes, and yeah, they'll comment whose is the best at the end.
So we're probably going to like stretch it,
Yeah.
poke it, and see who's the best bubble maker. Well, you're probably the. Oh, I can smell the
I
lavender.
know. Wow, that's actually really nice. Because it's now we can start adding our activator. It's got a seal on. Sprinkle it on the floor.
How do these activators open? I don't even know an open activator.
It's contact.
Oh, jeez. So how much?
Just sprinkle it. Do a bit more than that.
I would say that's enough.
Oh, mine's like already activating.
Oh wow, yeah.
And you added like nothing.
Oh, just got it all on my thumb.
If you want, I can add it
Yeah.
by the mix. Wow. This is going to be real cool when I add the pink clay. Okay, I'll do a bit more. I think I'll do a bit more.
Would it ever activate?
Yeah. Okay, we'll speed it up while it's activating.
If you've added some glitter.
It's pretty. Oh, it's very nice. No. Wow, it's actually really nice. Wow.
I think mine's good for poking.
Like it is quite nice. But when it gets foamy for you.
Do I get to keep this slime? Yeah, I probably don't want it. It's that bad. Well, I mean, this is kind of my first time making slime.
Yeah.
I've made it like once or twice with her though,
I
because she's
think
like,
when we did my slime kits together.
oh yeah. But you told me
and
everything.
Oh, yeah. Okay. His was real quick. Activate. I don't know.
I'll start getting it out.
Yeah, mine's good. You put your on the spoon and the bowl, and I'll get some stuff off.
Oh, this
Let's
is
show
good.
them the clay.
Yeah.
That's
So
really nice.
here's the clay blue. It kind of looks like purple, but it's actually blue.
Yeah, on the camera it looks like
purple.
Okay, then I've got my pink clay. It's actually going to be really light.
I'm really happy I got blue. I would have got pink
But
slime.
I might have not picked blue.
Yeah.
I mean, I still can't. Like you threw it there and it went there.
Yeah.
So we have our
Boomerang.
clays. It's actually already like slime, but it doesn't poke.
Oh, that's
Well,
really
it does,
good.
but it does not make a sound. Yeah, let's start adding it. Wow. Whoa. Ooh. Whoa, it's feeling really nice.
Oh,
Do you hear that click?
Oh, that looks so
Wow.
satisfying. Like you
So
just.
we'll zoom in
Yeah.
while we're mixing it.
Needing it, kinda.
Yeah.
Do you need to speed it up instead of zooming in?
No, yeah, zooming in.
Oh wow,
Wow.
This bit just looks so cool. We should have got some dye. Oh, yours is all pink.
Yeah. Yours will go all blue.
I should have added this glue.
Huh?
I should have added less glue.
Yeah.
And you've got
It's
those.
just shaving foam.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's like even
really good
fluffy.
slime. This slime is like so stretchy.
Look at mine. Barely even.
The texture of it is just amazing.
Wait, I feel yours.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Wow, that smells like an oven.
Bro, jeez.
Oh my, sorry. Oh my god.
I am new.
Yeah.
to-
It's actually good for like this like third time making. No, I'm not lying, but his first time is probably better.
Was it? Well, probably because with your slime kits, they're amazing.
Yeah, go buy them.
Yeah, go buy them.
Oh, this is
Yeah, it's all blue.
this is like so nice. I'm not kidding.
Oh my god.
I was gonna say it's probably one of the best slime I made, but in England, when like I made the Halloween slime, and my butter slime, they were like so good.
That is butter slime kind of though.
Yeah.
What did you put in your Halloween slime to
Oh my
make it?
god, I just
What did you do to Halloween slime to make it Halloween slime?
I just made it. It did like different colours.
Anyway, if you haven't, go check out all those videos anyway.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to miss them.
Wait, why was I adding more lavender?
What?
I just picked it up and added
Wait, can I
some.
have more shaving foam?
If you want.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna do some ASMR by playing with this. Like that.
And yeah, you can watch us play with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll say my goodbyes while we're playing with it. So yeah. So once again, please go check out his channel, and we'll put it up on the screen. But Nature Nerd,
Soul was the nature nerd.
Yeah, I said it.
I do nature videos all about animals.
Yeah, they're real cool. He did do some spy ones at start.
Yeah, but then I started liking nature. And yeah.
So I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to say whose was better. I think you might pick mine.
So don't
It's very good. So yeah.
And make sure you subscribe to both of our channels, Shola's channel
Yeah.
and my channel.
So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And bye.